I would definitely recommend this program to anyone who wants to join it, because I don't know, man, you'll be surprised as much as how I am right now. And I don't want to tell you everything that we've gained, because I want you to come in and see for yourself. I should be able to see myself as I'm important in the society as a black person, and I shouldn't put myself down because I'm a black person. I should stand up for myself as a black person, because the society thinks they group us as minorities, but then we're not. We're the majorities, exactly. So we should put ourselves up there, go for opportunities, grasp them as much as we can, and make use of them, because at the end of the day we'll see the results and we'll be proud of ourselves. I don't want to speak out everything I have gained, but it is a lot to gain, a lot to learn at the end of the day, and it is very impactful, and you'll see the impacts by yourself, so you should join it.